One step ahead. Presents. Easy learning. For kids. Our topic is Roman numerals. Before we start our topic, viewers, don't forget to click on like button and subscribe to our channel, and for more updates and video click on bell icon for notification. What are Roman numerals? In mathematics, there are many ways to present the numbers. The numerals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are used in writing numbers. These numerals are originated in India, and the Arabs picked them up and spread to Europe. Therefore these are called Hindi-Arabic numeral system. Hindi-Arabic numeral system is not only the system available. One of the early system of numeration still in common use today was developed by Romans and is called Roman numeral system. It is a system of numerical notation that is based on the ancient Roman system. Roman numerals are the numbers that were used in ancient Rome, which employed combinations of letters from the Latin alphabet, I, V, X, L, C, D and M. So in Roman numeral system 7 basic symbols were used to represent different numbers. Roman symbols, I, V, X, L, C, D, M stand for different Roman numbers. I stand for 1. V stands for 5. X stands for 10. L stands for 50. C stands for 100. D stands for 500. M stands for 1000. Can you give me examples in our daily life where we use Roman numerals? Yes, we can use Roman numerals in clock, building number, dice, booze volume and chapter number, names of people, name of games and movie or any show episode. Even people wear ornament embossed with Roman numerals, and nowadays people make tattoos using Roman numerals. Roman numerals don't have a symbol for 0. Rules to form Roman numbers. There are a few basic principles for reading Roman numerals. Rule 1. Repetition of a Roman numeral or symbol means addition. For example, I repeated 3 times equals 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. X repeated 3 times equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 30. The digits V, L and D are not repeated. The repetition of V, L and D is invalid in the formation of numbers. Only I, X, C and M can be repeated. For example, I and I equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. X and X equals 10 plus 10 equals 20. 3 times C equals 100 plus 100 plus 100 equals 300. M and M equals 1000 plus 1000 equals 2000. No symbol in Roman numeral is repeated more than 3 times. For example, 4 times I equals 4 is not possible. 10 times X equals 100 is not possible. 4 times C equals 400 is not possible. Rule 2. When a symbol appears after a larger, or equal, symbol, it is added. VI equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. VII equals 5 plus 1 equals 7. VII equals 5 plus 1 equals 8. XI equals 10 plus 1 equals 11. xii equals 10 plus 1 equals 12. xv equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. XVI equals 10 plus 5 plus 1 equals 16. Lx equals 50 plus 10 equals 60. Lxv equals 50 plus 10 plus 5 equals 65. By looking at rule 1 and 2, you will think I equals 1. I equals 1 plus 1 equals 2. I 3 times equals 1 plus 1 equals 3. Using basic V symbol which is equal to 5 we get 5. And adding again symbol I we get 6, 7 and 8. Vi equals 5 plus 1 equals 6. Vi equals 5 plus 2 equals 7. V and 3 times I equals 5 plus 1 equals 8. But what about 4 and 9? How we get them? So the next rule will help us. Rule 3. But if the symbol appears before a larger symbol it is subtracted. IV equals 5 minus 1 equals 4. Ix equals 10 minus 1 equals 9. XL equals 50 minus 10 equals 40. However, V is never written to the left of X. V, L and D are never subtracted. I can be subtracted from V. X can be subtracted from L and C only. C can be subtracted from D and M only. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numbers, it is always subtracted from the larger numeral, immediately following it. For example, xiv equals 10 plus 5 minus 1 equals 14. Xix equals 10 plus 10 minus 1 equals 19. Xxix equals 10 plus 10 plus 10 minus 1 equals 29. XLV equals 50 minus 10 plus 5 equals 45. CLIX equals 100 plus 50 plus 10 minus 1 equals 159. Rule 5. If a horizontal line is drawn over the symbols or digits of Roman numerals, then the value of the numerals becomes 1000 times. Example. XV equals 15 but XV in horizontal line on it means equals 15,000. CLV equals 155 but CLV in horizontal line on it means equals 155,000. One to 10 in Roman numerals are written as follows. (11 to 20 in Roman numerals are written as follows. (21 to 30 in Roman numerals are written as follows. (31 to 40 in Roman numerals are written as follows. (41 to 50 in Roman numerals are written as follows.